Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to convert unit of temperature in scientific calculator. Just follow the simple steps. I'm using Casio FX991EX calculator. So without wasting any further time, let's begin our video. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is we need to activate the conversion table. Go to shift, go to number 8, that is conversion, look for temperature, you can scroll down and look, the temperature is defined in number 1. Select the conversion units. I'm selecting from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Define the one in unit and you will get the result in other. So I'm going with some examples. Minus 75 and it is minus 59.44 in degree centigrade. Similarly, you can go vice versa, repeat the same. Shift, conversion, temperature, go with the other one from centigrade to Fahrenheit. Give your input, just press equal and you will get the result in the other unit. That's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notifications for the further updates. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.